Listen closely. The moment you landed on this message, your energy shifted. You didn't just stumble here, you were guided here, pulled by an invisible force that heard your silent prayers long before you spoke them out loud. Something unseen, something intelligent, moved the pieces of time and chance to bring you right here, right now. Because this message is not a coincidence, it's confirmation. You are chosen, chosen for abundance, chosen for elevation, chosen for millions. You might not see it yet. The bank account might still look the same, the job might still drain you, and the opportunities might still seem distant. But the truth is, energy always moves before matter does. The vibration changes before the evidence appears. The universe works in whispers long before it shouts in results. And this very message is one of those whispers. It's saying, prepare yourself. Align your heart. You're next. Take a breath and feel this moment in your body. The reason you've been feeling restless lately, the reason money crosses your mind more than ever, the reason you keep noticing numbers like 111 or 888, it's because your energy field has been vibrating faster. You've been calling in something far larger than you imagined. You've stepped into a timeline where wealth is not just a dream, it's a natural reflection of who you're becoming. When the universe chooses someone for millions, it's not random luck. It's resonance. It happens through alignment. It begins with a single sacred decision to stop identifying as the struggler and start recognizing yourself as the receiver. You can't hold the vibration of poverty and expect the frequency of abundance to arrive. The two repel each other. That's why so much has been stripped from your life lately. People left, jobs ended, plans collapsed. But none of that was lost. It was space being cleared. The universe never takes without giving more back. Think of it like pruning a tree. When a tree grows too many old branches, it can't bloom properly. The pruning may sting, but it's necessary for fruit to grow. That's exactly what the universe has been doing in your life. Every delay, every rejection, every closed door. None of it was punishment. It was redirection. You're not being tested anymore. You're being positioned. The roots have been watered in silence. Now it's time for your harvest to bloom. Now let's talk about the energy of millions. Not just as a number, but as a living consciousness. Millions are not about greed. They're about expansion and freedom. When you carry the vibration of millions, you're not hoarding wealth, you're circulating it. You become a living channel of prosperity where blessings move through you, not just to you. And when you bless others from that overflow, the universe blesses you back tenfold. The moment you realize that your wealth serves a divine purpose, the universe starts moving at lightning speed to deliver it. Tonight, or whenever you hear this, whisper these words to yourself. I am chosen for millions. I am open. I am ready. I am grateful. Say it softly. Say it boldly. Repeat it until your body feels warm, until your heart believes it, until your energy starts matching the vibration of what you're calling in. Because this is not merely an affirmation, it's a spiritual declaration. And declarations spoken from faith echo across dimensions. Here's what begins to happen next. You'll notice subtle shifts. Money flowing in through unexpected paths, old debts suddenly repaid, random offers appearing exactly when you need them. Emails, calls, coincidences, they'll all start lining up like pieces of a puzzle finally making sense. Don't dismiss them. They are your confirmations. The universe is already delivering signs that your vibration has changed. But here's the key. Don't chase it. At this stage, the universe doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to certainty. You have to walk, talk, and think like someone who already lives in overflow. Gratitude becomes your new currency. Every time you thank the universe, even before the millions arrive, you lock in the frequency of wealth. You're saying, I trust you, and that trust becomes the magnet that draws in everything meant for you. Tomorrow morning, do something symbolic. Write the words, I am chosen for millions on a small piece of paper and place it in your wallet or under your pillow. Every time you see or touch it, you'll remind your subconscious who you truly are, a chosen receiver of divine wealth. This small ritual plants a command in your energetic field, and your outer world starts rearranging itself to obey that command. Here's something the wealthy rarely share. Abundance is not built from strategy alone. It begins with identity. You must see yourself as wealthy long before your reality reflects it. Money does not create self-worth. Self-worth magnetizes money. The moment you begin to think, act, and expect like a person of wealth, calm, grateful, certain, the universe rushes to provide physical evidence of that belief. So stop asking, when will it come? Start asking, how can I align deeper today? Because alignment shortens waiting time. Every act of gratitude, every moment you release fear, every time you affirm your readiness, the universe registers it. It notes your growth, your trust, your expansion, and begins accelerating what's already destined for you. The universe never chooses people randomly. It chooses those who can hold the vibration, those who can multiply blessings, not just collect them. And that's you. Through every setback, you stayed faithful. Through every delay, you stayed patient. Through every storm, you kept your light alive. That's why this message arrived today, not a year earlier, because now you're truly ready to handle what's been yours all along. Take another deep breath. Let the truth settle in your heart. You are chosen for millions, not because you're better than anyone, but because you've healed enough to receive without guilt or fear. You've outgrown lack. You've shifted from survival to expansion. And when gratitude becomes your default state, miracles multiply without effort. Before you go, speak this aloud one last time, as a promise, not a plea. The money that belongs to me is finding me now. I am chosen for millions, and I receive it with ease and grace. If this message found you, it's because your energy called it in. So let the universe know you're ready. Type, I am chosen in the comments below, like this video to amplify its frequency, and share it so the vibration of wealth spreads wider. Remember, every time you share abundance energy, it multiplies for you and for others. The universe doesn't make mistakes. You were meant to find this today. The energy of millions is already orbiting your field. Don't block it with fear. Welcome it with gratitude. Welcome it with calm certainty. Welcome it as though it's already done. Because from this moment forward, you are no longer chasing money. You are magnetizing it. You are chosen for millions. And now the universe is about to prove it in ways that will leave you speechless. So as you close your eyes tonight, release every worry that ever whispered, you can't. Let your spirit rest in knowing that the current of abundance is already carrying your name. You don't have to chase. You just have to allow. The doors meant for you are already unlocking. The opportunities designed for you are already aligning. Sleep peacefully knowing the universe is at work. arranging your millions, your miracles, and your moment to shine.